my brother's.
Well, it'd be 180 miles west of Chicago, just across the river to Iowa.
You need the one on the shoulder. That.
Okay. Well, I
Right, exactly.
Okay, pretty?
This is
Awesome.
great.
Can I get a shot?
Sure. Put your finger out.
I can't believe they don't fly
I
away.
couldn't either. That's how I started talking
She's gonna
to
love those fingernails, so watch it. She's
Oh my God,
she's
you're
gonna
so
want to peel that off.
You're so
Watch
cute.
it. She can bite right through that nail if she wants to.
Oh, she said, how come you don't let me go like that?
Oh my God, I can't believe they don't fly away.
I couldn't either when he walked up. I said, whoa.
It's so gorgeous out.
They have it pretty good. They eat
Oh.
restaurants, you know.
They are
They let
beautiful.
you take him in?
Well, most of the restaurants are inside out here.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Sit outside.
You know, lots of birds eat in restaurants. I'm the only one that brings them to clean up after them. So.
Oh, they're awesome.
They're gorgeous.
Yeah, he had him on my finger. I was petting him too. Yeah. I guess it's a he.
This one's a she, the one that you pet. The boy is, like I said, he's kind of new with us, and he gets scared sometimes and he'll bite.
You don't know the age.
She nips me on the knee. She nips me on the neck if we pass too many people, and she hasn't had a chance to step up on somebody. It's very social.
Oh, thank you.